Khulubuza questions his wife about to issue out, saying that she's the one who stands to benefit from ukufa Faith, and then he suspects that Usabelo might have done it for her. Msize arrived KwaZungu and demands to see Faith. Untombi questions his kids, what have they done? Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Zwide. So, Msize got a call from Khulubuza saying that there was a shootout. Now, Unkosi no honor, they're panicking, saying, Kuti Malume, you need to speak to Faith and hear from her, that she's okay. But Khulubuza said Faith is shaken and can't talk, but they're not buying it, saying, Kuti, you need to get the first flight out. And uhambe yombona because umlanda, because this is not working. What if Faith ulimele? What if umdeni untombi wants to kill her? Faith is shaken. Umamezalo busy yamduduza ukuthi yo I'm so sorry ngane yami, I'm so sorry sithando sami, you went through this. Faith neka se shaken ngathi akasazi isibhamu kanti itsotsi yakudala. She's probably pretending so they think she's soft kanti hey unkunzuma la umgulukudu Faith. And then ukhulubuza questions umkakhe ukuthi who did this? Because the person that did this and suspect it must have been Sabelo, because the person was wearing balaclava and the person was aiming at Faith and not him. And that Umandaba was heartbroken, saying, do you think mina hi hitman ngafuna ukubulala Faith? But you are the only one who stands to benefit from ukufa Faith. That's yazi baba. Uthando lakho for Faith has blinded you, because look at you now fighting with the whole family for Faith. After all these years I would hire a hitman and blah blah blah. Ati we think mina ngafuna ukubulala Faith. Ati kufanele kube uSabelo. Where is Sabelo? And then they hear noise outside. Kanti umsizi ufikile. Umsizi is here making noise, saying, hey wena, what have you done to my sister? I trusted you to protect her. Now you're telling me there was a shootout. Why didn't you protect her? I did protect her. Akalimalanga, she's just shaken. That's I need to see her. Manju angitshela jiki, you're not updating me what's happening. I need to see my sister. Asambe yongibonisa yena. Ufuthi uyindoda, why didn't you protect my sister? Now the whole family is there, no Ntombi, and the kids come. And then Umsizi goes inside the house to see Faith. Umandaba usala neingane zakhe and ask them, Guti nenzeni nina? Because she can see, Guti, these ones look guilty. And Usabelo has been hinting that he can do this for her. So it must be Usabelo. Yo, these kids, they've just put her in more trouble than before. Because this will make Ukhulubuza love Faith even more, wanting to protect her even more. Emshiye ngaphandle nje Umandaba. Now this girl, Ogamlife, says that he likes this new Mlife, not the one that he was pretending to be. But Umulife has not gotten over his divorce. He needs to deal with it first. He's not ready for a relationship, not for Yena, not for anyone else. Tata agrees, saying that you are hurt and even dealt with your pain. You need to confront it. Write a letter to Dorothy. Don't send it to her. Just write it and burn it. That way you'll take out your feelings. I'll say, Naki Muna, we no auntie, Naki Maluma, don't forget that. Naki Sharp. I've moved on from Dorothy. I can write the letter. I can have. Come on, Pastor Ezekiel, Prophet wa Feiki is busy telling the church that he is the one that's coming through to help them with the Gadibini baggage thing. Khanti is the one that got the tender, lying for the people that you voted for, they're supposed to do it, these are not doing it. But Tebanekel is coming through. Khanti ki yena vela that got the tender. Why is it Profita Owamak? Kamokeletso is now fighting with Katlego, saying Profita Owamak, now my dad is being disrespected just because of him. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.